Um, Hello teachers, this is the final product of our project, and that is Smart Door Lock with facial recognition. And the system has two access modes, that is face recognition mode and password input mode. So firstly, I will try to test the password input mode, and the character display on the screen will be converted to store character in order to hidden the password, and the door will open if the user enter the correct password. So right now I will try to enter the wrong password 5 times in a row. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and the system will alert when the user enter the wrong password 5 times. So right now I will try to test the face recognition mode, and first case is one person already exists in the dataset, and which that face is mine. And the second case is two persons already exist in the dataset. And the third case, it is the person that is not belongs to the dataset. So the system will label for that person is unknown. So and again, I will let my face in front of the camera again, and it will label my face is Chuang. So that is everything I want to show you about the operation of our system, and thank you so much for watching.